So you want to know what my risky decisions are, huh? I'm surprised you're the only one who's asked me, because I've been very clear that the reason we have to move is my fault, and it's because of some poor decisions that I've made. And oh my goodness, there's a tornado outside, and the lights are flickering. I'm trying to decide if I should go someplace else. Here's the tornado watch. That's where the tornado is. That's where I live, so it's not right here yet, but I should definitely be keeping an eye out. My house is a cement block house, so probably safe. It's horrible for heating and cooling, but at least it's pretty safe. It's very rainy, but the wind isn't blowing too much. But isn't that what happens before a tornado hits? Just got off the phone with my sister, and she knows a little bit more about the tornado, and it's north of us. Apparently some semis though flipped over on the freeway, so I hope everybody's okay, but that's pretty scary. And I guess there's another tornado that just hit the river, all about 20 minutes north of us, so we're okay. The sirens are going, but it's not windy at all. It's like very placid outside right now. So I think that the tornado's past us, but man, tornadoes are scary.